Hey clarinets, I'm going to quickly show you how to maintain your instrument. There's two things that you need to do for it. The first thing is you need to make sure that your corks are greased. So you need a tube of cork grease, and then you also need a clean, or a rag. It doesn't have to be clean, a small rag. You have cork on your instrument. On your upper joint, you have two corks on either side. On your lower joint, you have a cork. And then additionally, on your mouthpiece, you have a cork, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to take the tube of not chapstick, it is cork grease. It's grease just like any other grease, so make sure that doesn't get on your clothes. And you are going to take the cork and you are going to thinly apply the cork grease on it. You don't want big gobs of it, so when you're putting it on, don't push too hard, okay? Once you get a nice little thin amount on there, this is the step that you're not going to really like, but you have to do. You're going to take that cork and you're going to rub it in. So I'm just going to take my fingers, that's what the rag's for, and I'm just rubbing that and I'm kind of twisting. I'm not gripping down too hard on this, but I am twisting that grease into the cork like that, okay? And that's the rag, so I can take and wipe my fingers off. Now I should be able to put my barrel on. I'm going to give this a little twist. Remember, a twisting action is always what we want to do, and voila, it's all together and it's very nice. When you're doing the other side of your upper joint, you're not going to be able to get it underneath a bridge key, and it's going to be a little harder to get it into the cork, but you just kind of have to do your best on it. Okay, so I'm going to take my fingers and kind of rub it in like this, washing out. Be careful of that bridge key, you don't want to bend it. And then it will get under the bridge key when you go to put your lower joint on. It will go ahead and go twist it on. It will get under that bridge key for you. Okay. One of the things I want you to avoid is caking this on there really, really, really thick, not rubbing it in, and then trying to put your mouth or your instrument together, because what'll happen is you'll just strip all of that excess grease off, and it'll be stuck on your instrument and it'll get all over your instrument. So make sure that you thinly apply and rub it in with your fingers and then wipe your fingers off, okay? Twist your instrument together, all right? The last thing you're gonna do to maintain your instrument has to do with just giving your instrument a quick glance. There are screws on your instrument, little tiny screws. So like if you look in here, right inside of that, there's a little screw head. I don't know if you can see it, but if you look, it's not going to focus on it. But anyway, there's screws all over your instrument. If you look in your instrument, they're really, really tiny. They look like little rods. What I want you to do is look to see if there's any that are sticking out. I don't want you to try to screw them back in though, okay? You need to ask us about that. Sometimes they're sticking out on purpose because they're called leveling screws, but I just want you to be aware that sometimes they do kind of stick out, and you should always check for them, see if that's the case, and if it is, then you need to let one of us know. All right? Cool? Okay, so that's how you maintain your clarinet. Hope that helps.